What's going on YouTube? Tech Los back with another video. I first want to start off by saying thank you to the subscribers that I've been picking up. I've had probably in the last month or so another 50, 60 subscribers. And I haven't been keeping my my videos up to date. So anyways, wanted to do a quick review on my setup here and talk about my new TV. This is the LG 7400 240 Hertz 3D TV. I actually was lucky enough to come up off this TV at Best Buy. It was marked, it was priced wrong. They had it priced for the 50-inch, and they gave me a deal. So I ended up walking out of Best Buy with this TV. I paid about $1,200. It's around a $2,000 TV, give or take $100, $200 if it's on sale. But anyways, it's pretty sick. I'm excited because I've always had plasmas, and I decided to go with an LED because I wanted to go for the 240 Hertz. And this has the passive glasses, which to me is the technology that I like when it comes to 3D. Now 3D is kind of going out of style, I know that, but still, you know, I had to update, you know, because that's what it's all about. So anyways, I wanted to show you guys this remote. This is the, it's kind of like a Wii Remote, I would say. And this is it. And you can see that has Chinese writing on it because I actually ordered this online because it didn't come with it. But basically, as you can see already, kinda, let me pull focus back. So basically, it's a Wii Remote, and it has the same technology. It's a pointer. I don't want to call it a Wii Remote, but it has the same, you know, purpose. So you don't have to use the mouse if you're trying to use, you know, the functionalities, because it is a smart TV. So right now, you're actually seeing my HDMI 1. As you saw there, and this is my computer hookup. So I'm gonna actually go into the smart function right now. So again, right off the bat, this is the front interface. Let me see if I can focus in on here for you guys. Make this a little more legible for you. Alright, so this is the interface I was telling you right here. You can see that it gives you the little window for whatever you're looking at. So if you're watching TV, or again in my case, my computer's hooked up, my home theater PC. And you got the settings on the bottom. So we'll start right here. This thing again is a smart TV. Now, for somebody who uses Xbox 360, home theater PC, you know, I got Google TV, got the Roku. So basically, I've used the functionalities of a lot of the different ways that we try to eliminate the cable box, right? But to tell you the truth, this is probably the best one that I've come across. I find myself using this more than I would any of my other devices. So if we go into premium here, you're gonna see this is the smart TV setup, and you got all your little applications and you know, all the stuff that you would normally use, from Netflix to YouTube to Hulu, Redbox Instant, Amazon. And if you see down here too, because all these ones are normal, we actually have Skype here because this thing takes a camera if you want to pay for the add-on. So we'll back out of this. So again, this is your smart apps. We'll come back out of here. Then you got your 3D World over here, which is basically if you go into 3D World, you're gonna find pay-per-view 3D content, and it's actually pretty legit. I haven't bought anything yet because, you know, I use NZBs and I do torrents and stuff like that. But it basically has you know, apps and all that stuff that you can buy, and you can also, it's basically like a Google type market, so a Google market. And it seems like it's Android. I'm not going to get it too deep into that, but it does really remind you of Android. So again, you got your Smart World and you got your 3D content, games, and this all comes out of the Smart World app. Same thing with right here, you got your TV. Now I'm going to go over here because this is actually pretty cool. So one of the cool functionalities about this TV is that it does support DLNA. It does support Miracast too, so I can actually use the Miracast function from my Moto Max, I got the Droid Max. So it has Miracast, which is actually pretty sick. So you're seeing, you know, movies that are on my my home theater PC. Now, would I watch my movies through here? Probably not, because I already got my home theater PC hooked up, but if you're into that thing, it's actually pretty cool, and I do have it hooked up, as you can see. So it is showing all that stuff. Connect to a mobile device, connect to a PC, connect to the USB drive. So that's basically the you know, your home interface. Got some advertising down here, as you see. So let's go back to our, you know, input devices. I'm not going to go too far into this stuff, but you can see nice streamlined interface, man. This thing is pretty legit. And one of the exciting things for me was this is one of the first TVs that I was able to actually calibrate using expert mode. So my past TV, although it was a pretty good TV, it didn't have that technology to literally go in and use expert, go in and set the gamma and the filters and the white balance and stuff like that. So it was pretty cool to be able to do that. I was pretty exciting. You see other support here. I'll go back out. All right, so we got internet, search, now, LG Cloud. Not gonna go too deep into any of these things because they're basically, you know, similar apps to what other manufacturers are offering. Dual play, this is pretty sick. So this is where if I want to hook up the 360, you're playing some Call of Duty, you know, Ghosts, and you want to play one-on-one, you can use the 3D glasses to basically show one screen. So one person will be seeing one screen and the other person will be seeing the other screen. I'm going to show you a little bit of that right now when I show you my 3D downloaded movies. So, you know, basically, you know, that's it. This is a really nice TV. I'm super excited. You know, the quality is just there. Even when you're watching Netflix, like, just the quality of the picture is amazing. And I know it's not gonna do you any justice, and you're seeing lines and stuff like that because of the camera. But, you know, from my experience, again, because I won't go into arguing about what's better. I know the blacks from the plasmas and all that stuff like that. The different arguments, I do think plasmas are probably, you know, a better quality if you're gonna buy like a $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 TV. But for this price, I was super stoked for the functionality that I got in buying this. So one of the things I wanted to do real quick is just show you the concept of, let's go back here, how downloaded 3D movies work, and also basically how that dual play gaming works. So let's see here. I'm gonna go into my mainframe, go into videos, and go into 3D, and let's just do Silent Hill. I'm only gonna show this for a second, but as you see, when it's showing two pictures right there, let's get that. It's showing two pictures. So this is the same concept of what would be happening if you were playing with a game. Let me turn that down. If you were playing a game, and then when we hit that 3D button, it's gonna give you options on what you want to do, and based on that being the double like that, I'll click that, and then it's gonna put them together, and obviously with the 3D glasses, it's gonna show it in 3D. So let me stop that before I get busted with some copyright infringement. So we'll go and stop that. So again, I just kind of wanted to show you guys that aspect of it. Again, you know, it's a sick TV. I'm super excited to have it. Again, this is just my kind of walk around. This is the LG. It's a 60-inch, and it's the LG 7400.